Let's be honest, most of us make way more mistakes on keyboard than we would like to admit. But what if you had an AI writing assistant that not only fixed your grammar, but also helped you brainstorm ideas, rewrite entire sentences, and even adjust your tone? That's exactly what Grammarly does, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro so your writing is crystal clear, persuasive, and maybe even a little fun. Oh, and also guys, it's also completely free to get started. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of Grammarly. So before we jump into how you exactly use it, let's go to the app section over here. So make sure you guys actually download any of the four. So I have made Grammarly for Chrome extension over here. As you can see, I have made the extension. And you could be doing the extension on the Windows, then you have iPhone and iPad and also the Android. So based on what you want, you can add your Grammarly to it. So now let's just go to docs and let me create a new doc over here. You can either upload the file or maybe create a new doc. So let's go ahead and paste what I have. So basically what I told ChatGPT was just make me a story or something like that with incorrect sentences. So let's see if Grammarly can really help me with it. So my audience, let's say it is general and the formality I want is formal. Then this one is in the pro version and the intent, let me say tell a story. So let's go ahead and take that. And these are the errors that I've got. So almost 47 errors. And there is also some pro suggestions as well. So here if you see, there is this change that has been made. If I don't want it, I can just click on dismiss. So that's it. And in case if I want to accept it, you can accept it over here. Here I can say use this version. I can say here accept. So like that, you can easily correct all of these. So right now I have a scroll of 38. And if you go ahead and accept all of this, the score is initially going to go up and up. So that's how you make your sentences correct, and your overall score is going to keep on increasing. And also you could be writing with generative AI. So in case if you want to improve it, you can basically ask AI to do it, and AI will basically make a better paragraph compared to this one. And if you like it, you can either insert it, or if you want to make it like more persuasive or assertive, you can make it make the generative AI do that. And after you have done that, if you like it, then you can go ahead and insert it over here. So as you can see, the entire text has been inserted here. And also one more thing you could be doing with Grammarly is that no matter what social media or maybe apps that you're on, if you're using the text button, you could be using the help of Grammarly. So for example, if I click here, you can see that a Grammarly, the button has been opened, and you can basically ask the AI chat, maybe there is something you want to type over here. So let's say, so this is the email I am asking the AI chat to do for me. So I'm going to press that. So as you can see, the Grammarly has made me an excellent format on the email. Here it says that's exciting news about the new car. Okay, the subject. Guess what? I got a new car. Hey, Aman Shanavas. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to share some exciting news with you. So as you can see, this is an excellent way the AI chat has basically made me. And if you didn't like it, you can again ask the AI to make it better. So that's how you do it, and you can just go ahead and paste it. So no matter what platform you are in, maybe you're in LinkedIn, maybe in LinkedIn you are looking to hire people, you can just ask the AI to make all of this content. Or maybe you're trying to post on Instagram or maybe on Twitter or anything like that. The contents for the post, you can easily get it from Grammarly. So this is also a way you could be using Grammarly as well. So that's basically it for this video of Grammarly. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yes, if you want to go check Grammarly out, you can check it by clicking the first link in the description. So So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.